Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you some ways that you can use the spreadsheet that lists all the course texts with their ISBNs to order your books. So the first thing that I've done, I've entered, you can enter the list actually through any class, but if you hit click here, it will open up the textbooks. So my child is in physics for the logic stage. So what do? I start typing here, physics, and I can see then I have physics for the logic stage. So I only have one textbook, and that textbook, it's published by Holt Science. You can see here there's an Amazon link, so I could just, if I wanted to be expeditious, I would click here. It's going to open up a new tab for me, and then there you go. So I can see, oh, I could get a paperback. Interesting. For $18.75. Let's see. That's the study guide. That's actually something different. I don't want that. I would want the hardcover. Now, I don't want to spend $136, as nice as this textbook is. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this ISBN, and I'm going to show you a few websites where I check different prices. So one is Barnes & Noble, also a large bookseller. Sometimes they're helpful. You can copy and paste that right in there, and I can see they don't actually have it. That's okay. I'm going to go over to Better World Books. I'm going to show you 3 different sites that I like to use for finding used books. Put in the ISBN here, and let's see what I get. My internet's a little slow. You can see I've already got a book in there waiting for me to buy some more. It looks like nothing's popping up yet. Let's try it one more time. There we go. If I click on it, oh, temporarily unavailable. That's okay. Let's check 2 more. There's ThriftBooks. I'm going to search for that ISBN again. There, I can get it in good condition or an acceptable condition. Okay, so I'm going to keep that tab open, and I'm going to pop on over to AbeBooks. Sometimes I have luck there. So I search, and used hardcover, condition good. Now, because I've searched by the ISBN, you can see it matches up. That tells me that it's going to be the right edition. That's exactly what I need. And the seller, it looks like it's a solid seller. I can find other versions, but I'm going to buy this one in the hardcover. And then I'm going to continue shopping. So what I'll do, just for kicks, I'll show you what I would do if I went to a different class. Let's look at a writing class. So here I'm going to go to Rhetoric Writing 2. They have 2 books. There's the New Oxford Guide to Writing. I can go to Amazon, of course. It links directly there. But here I'm going to copy. I'm going to see what I might get if I search other stores. So here we go, Barnes & Noble. Okay, $23, $24, that's not bad. Let's see what happens when I try to get one used. Now, I will say one caveat with getting a used book is that sometimes there's writing in it. So that's just something to think about. It says used good, so that means there's going to be some sort of marking in it. Let's check these guys. ThriftBooks. Okay, condition like new. I am very likely to gamble on that one. And then just for kicks, AbeBooks. Now, at the end of the day, I also, as a thrifty mom, I pay attention to, used very good, shipping. So knowing that shipping costs money as well at times, I may pay attention to where I find the books, what I need. So that was one of 2 books, right? I can see here I've got Rhetoric Writing 2, Rhetoric Writing 2. The other book is They Say, I Say, and I know that this edition matters because in the back they have excerpts from different texts, and sometimes they change them from edition to edition. Some instructors will use those texts in the back. So let's see. If I'm looking for They Say, I Say, 6th edition, I'm searching by ISBN, so again, I don't have to worry about getting the wrong edition. Okay, let's see details. Right now, they're selling it as an ebook. Let's see if I can find it anywhere else. So, this does take a little more time. Like new, very good. Okay, so there's already a wee bit of a savings, but this lets me save, across my kids, a, a, a little chunk of change when I'm buying books. Condition fair. Okay, so that to me is a little bit of a gamble because that may be marked up. Let's see what it is new, just for kicks. Let's see. Oh, they don't carry it. And Amazon, which I could also link to right from the spreadsheet, $60. So for me as a thrifty person, I would be very likely to go with the like new for $44. Again, it's a little bit of a gamble, but it's possible. Now, you see here, this takes you to different editions. I know in this case, I stay with the edition that they've listed because of what's available. So that, in short, I go through all of my child's classes using this spreadsheet. I find the class, I see how many books I need. So here you see, I'm going to highlight, right? If my child is in Rhetoric Writing 2, those are the 2 books that I need. Those are the ISBNs that are unique to that edition. So if I buy that ISBN, it will be the right edition. And then I potentially can save a little bit of money.